Welcome. This video is going to cover some of the statistics relating to alcohol use during pregnancy and the consequences. Let's start with the fact that nearly 1 in 7 women in the US reported drinking alcohol during pregnancy. We'll also consider that many pregnancies are unintended, which means a fetus can be exposed to alcohol before a woman even knows she's pregnant. And the alcohol that a woman drinks will cross the placenta. In fact, the fetal blood alcohol concentration can reach maternal levels within 2 hours of alcohol intake. And the fetus cannot metabolize alcohol as quickly as the mother. So this is why alcohol can impact fetal growth and development during all stages of pregnancy. When the developing fetus is exposed to alcohol during pregnancy, it can cause lifelong, irreversible physical, behavioral, and intellectual disabilities. Now, this is known as Fetal Alcohol Spectrum Disorder, or FASD. There are both physical and behavioral effects from drinking alcohol during pregnancy, and some include hyperactive behavior, learning challenges, speech and language delays, poor reasoning, shorter than average height and small head size, vision or hearing problems, intellectual and learning disabilities, difficulty with attention, and poor memory. Some of the facial features of FASD are the skin fold at the corner of the eye, low nasal bridge, short nose, small eye openings, a thin upper lip and groove between the nose and the upper lip. Research has shown that heavy drinking, chronic drinking, and even short periods of binge drinking during pregnancy are clearly harmful. But one of the challenges that researchers face is that there's no clear dose-response relationship. They can't really pinpoint a safe lower limit. And that means it's not really clear how many drinks, how often one can drink, and during what stages of pregnancy makes it safe. So this is why the recommendation from major health organizations is to avoid alcohol during pregnancy because no safe threshold has been established.